Got right here another really cool gadget from Mac Army. So this is a drill bit set. Wow, thought it'd be all packaged out. Comes with a couple patches. Well, looks like they want me to set this up myself. Kind of disappointed. You would assume they would do it for me. Now I have to do all that myself. It's a little handy one. That's also pretty fidgety at the same time. You can hold it and use it as like a fidget spinner to distress. That's an amazing little drill bit. The reason why I like it, whenever you put into something, into a screw, it's pretty easy to spin it, as you can see, and hold it with one hand. Didn't take me a long time to set everything up, but this is what it's going to look like. Probably put it upside down a little bit, but yeah, this comes out. So you grab one of these drivers, put it in here. This one is much bigger. With the regular ones you can put it in here. If you want to buy different ones, different adapters, that's cool. And whenever you put it in onto something to screw something, you see how easy it is for me to rotate the whole thing. Would be no problem. And unscrew it, screw it, pretty awesome. And at the same time it is pretty fun stress relief. Look at that spinner. A lot of them don't spin that good. As you can see, this one spins amazingly. Wow. I love that drill bit. Hand bit anyways. And once you're done, put everything away, and you have right here everyday care little drill bit tool. Boom. Looking good, doesn't it? I really like that one a lot. Boom. Doesn't take up too much space at all. Micro sharpener. So there's like a keychain sharpener. As you can see, there's a quick instruction. It's also a screwdriver. So you have right here the keychain zipper hanger. You have right here, what is that? Sharpener and this sharpener. Two different sharpeners. I guess you just kind of spin it open this way, and you have right here 3 different sizes, like a star bit. Then you lock it up once you get the one you need. Where's the screwdriver? Right here. And that way you can take apart knife with that kind of star bit. If you have different knives that takes different bits, you'll have to go up and put in different bit in here. I have put to the test that burn a couple of times. Works sharp, as a good reliable knife sharpeners. So yeah, very cool. Everyday care knife sharpener. LED rechargeable keychain light. Very unique for camping, for everyday care. Look, for even biking. Cool, or hiking. So let's open it. Comes with the rechargeable wires. One of these ones, new ones. So that's cool. Check this out. A window breaker. How would you hold it? Break out of the window for the car if you need to escape it. There's a magnet and couple of screwdrivers. Very cool. Okay, on. Whoa, that's insanely bright. That is incredible. Less bright, and then some kind of like a red yellowish light. Look at that, the camera overexposing, and then that way you can hang it in a backpack in case you're hiking on the road. That way people can see you, or riding a bicycle, flashing, and just insanely bright. Wow. Carabiner, very stone. Looks like there is a rope cutter in here, or seatbelt cutter. Rechargeable part. So somewhat water resistant. It tells you how charged that is on this side. That's cool. I might need another tool to pull this out if I need it. There you go. But where does it go? That's kind of cool. That way you can unscrew little things and tighten it up. Very interesting. Phillip head and a flat head. Yeah, definitely very strange everyday care carabiner light. Never seen one of those before. This is probably the smallest pen I've ever seen. Comes with the chain, if you like to use that. Or you can put it on actual keychain. There's a little hole that you can put it on your actual keychain. Comes with the 2 refills and the keychain. And look at that, it's a bolt action pen. Very tiny, wow. With my big hands I could still write with that. I can't believe this is actually a pen. Wow, you know, when you buy it online you don't realize how small it is. I don't even remember ordering that. Maybe I thought it was like a toothpick holder or something like that. But that turns out to be a tiniest pen I ever seen. This is cool. Keychain pen that is also a bolt action. That's cool, you see it? If you push on it, it comes back up. That's amazing. Love the colors. Keychain holder, beautiful. Also you can hang it, I guess, over your neck as well. Got it here, Mr. Green G. So this is like everyday carry, like a nail clipper and a file, I guess. Boom. There's a file and there's a clipper. It has like a little spring over here. The whole thing is a spring. That's fun. And also you lock it back in. There's a little tool over here and it comes with one of these holders. Super tiny, as you can see. Wow. Have anybody asked you, do you have like a nail clipper? There you go. There's a magnetic cover. You always have it on your keychain. That's pretty cool. Got it here, another Gerber tool. There's a name for it, slim drive. So this thing is pretty unique. There's Gerber, there's a knife. Boom. Wow, pretty nice. Big enough knife for everyday carry. Like miscellaneous jobs would be perfect. But also you have right here the screwdriver with a bit that is also Phillips head, flippable, so it doesn't really lock on this side. That's cool. So the keychain, interesting. What do you guys think? What else is in here? Looks like this is like a phone flipper over here, not sure. There you go. Oh, there's a bottle opener. That's cool. Check this out. Hidden away over here. Do more, carry less. So like everyday carry tool. And 1, 2, 3. That's it. Super simple. Very cool. What do you guys think? I really do like the way it looks. These two kind of funny, found on Amazon. So there's a Ballison spoon. Like I never seen before one of this. So like a practice one. And actual spoon, check this out. Well, kind of flat. And it has a knife. That's funny. Never seen a knife built into a spoon. Kind of like a butter knife, I guess. That's strange. So yeah, there's a spoon. And this one should be a fork, if I remember. This is a cheap stuff from Amazon. I think fork a little bit better. Oh man, it doesn't lock so much. That's what I'm saying. Just cheap stuff from Amazon. They go butterfly fork and a knife for everyday carry, to bring it with you to have some lunch. These are funny, so maybe it's like lunch items. You see it says made in China. These things are pretty cheap, maybe like $6 to $8 each. That's funny, isn't it? And the last gadget right here, this is like a decision pen. You know, everyday pen. Everybody have a pen in the car. Wow, that is going to take a long decision. That's funny. I guess you could stop it. I guess ask. Boom. Ask again. Wow. Later. Guess do it later. So decision maker. There's a pen, bolt action, and a window breaker. But this thing is pretty fun. I have showed you guys a couple of pens before with this fidget spinner over here. This is probably the fastest one I ever seen. I guess because if you not sure what to decide, you can spin that and wait for a while when it decides for you. But I guess you could just boom, grab it and decide it for yourself. Later, skip again, yes, later, skip, ask, now, again. This is really satisfying. Decision pen. Nothing epic material, feels like aluminum of some sort, but it's kind of fun the way it reflects from the light. Boom, says now.